guys, Mam here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mam and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, since I ordered two big custom canvases, we're in the size of one of which is a 45 by 36 and the other one is a 40 by 16. It's ungessoed. It doesn't have any gesso yet applied to it. So we'll be applying some gesso onto it today. And of course, with that, it's up to you if you'd like to apply 2 or 3 or even 4 or 5 layers. It's up to you on how smooth you want it to be, because the more layers of gesso you apply to it, the smoother you will get, depending on the texture that you would like to achieve as well. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, first thing is to make sure that there's no dirt, any kind of dirt, dust or hair, especially just like these ones, on your canvas before you prime it. Just do your best to remove each and every one of those. See that? For some reason there's a lot of hair. So just remove all of those, and once you're good, you can start priming. For today, we will be using Montmartre Gesso, which is a universal primer in white. And avoid using a brush like this because it's rougher and you'll be able to see the brush strokes easily, as well as this has more fallouts, like a lot more fallouts compared to a nylon brush, which is why we'll be using a nylon brush for this instead. I'll prime the first half, the right half of this canvas, and then just to show you the difference between the primed and the unprimed part, okay? Alright, so this is the biggest nylon brush that I have, so I'm just gonna use this instead of having a problematic brush that falls out again and again. And I will be starting off on the edge. Now, for the one in the middle, you dip your brush and place it right here. Then again, do short, quick strokes to spread out the gesso. And take your time doing this because this will help out your canvas to just be smooth and not absorb as much acrylic paint or oil paint or whatever you're going to put in it sipping through the fabric. It's easier to put it right here and then spread it left and right instead of doing it here and then spreading it all across to the middle. See that? Compared to these two. You can do it like this. Do half of it first and then cover the other side later on. Here, so I tried to zoom it in so that you can see hopefully you'll be able to see the holes of the fabric. We're basically filling in all the holes. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. And then so that I could maximize the paint that seeped into the brush, I do this thing just to drain it out, because art materials are expensive, so why not? I think. I don't know if you're supposed to do that even. Or you can do it all the way through. It's just that you'll be needing more gesso. Like, get a lot on your brush. Then just fill up the gaps. Whichever is easier for you. Now I'll just finish this remaining, and then I'll show you the difference. And I'm sorry about the lighting because I cannot turn on my ring lights and any flash at all, so that you can clearly see the difference between the primed and unprimed part. So you can see that it is see-through. Alright, now since I'm done with this left side, try to run your brush through with no paint, just to smoothen it out. And of course, try to fill in as many holes, or all of the holes, as much as you can. It's just like blending your makeup, really. And if you see any hair or dirt, just be sure to take it off. And that's it. We'll be doing the right side now. Here it is after the first coat, and it's all dried up for 24 hours. From afar, it doesn't have any visible holes, but up close there definitely is. Alright, so ended up leaving this to dry for 2 days. And then around the middle, you can still see some holes in it. So there you go. As you noticed, this lower half is like a translucent white, and the upper half is more opaque. I'm just gonna finish this half, and then we should be done. Still a lot of holes. Now this I want to point out, that brush hair, you have to remove that before it dries. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much again for watching and take care. Bye-bye.